Let us now go to epigastric pain. The topic is stomach heat and stomach fire. The clinical manifestations of stomach heat is burning epigastric pain, thirst, irritability, and sour regurgitation. The tongue will be dry with a yellow tongue coating, and the body color may be red if there is pronounced heat. Otherwise, it could look normal. The pulse will be slightly rapid, slightly overflowing in the right middle position, and this pattern is not a common cause of epigastric pain. As treatment principle, we clear stomach heat and restore the descending of stomach chi. Stomach 21 and stomach 44 are used with a reducing or even method. Stomach 21 is a local point for all excess patterns of the stomach, and stomach 44 is the main distal point to clear the stomach heat. As dietary advice in a person with stomach heat, they should avoid eating too much hot energy food such as game, lamb, beef, and spices. Alcohol consumption should also be kept at a minimum. The clinical manifestations of stomach fire is burning epigastric pain, thirst with desire to drink cold water, dry mouth, severe irritability, bleeding gums, vomiting of blood, red face, and constipation. The tongue body will be red or dark red, and the coating will be yellow and dry. The pulse will be rapid, deep, and full. This pattern could be considered a further stage of stomach heat. Heat and fire are very similar in nature and share common manifestations. However, fire is a more substantial pathogenic factor than heat, and it differs from heat in three respects. 1. It dries up more, hence the dry stools, dry mouth, and dry tongue. 2nd, it causes bleeding by agitating the blood in the vessels, hence the bleeding gums and vomiting of blood. And 3rd, it affects the mind more, hence the severe irritability. Fire differs from heat also in its depth. Fire is at a deeper energetic level than heat, so that while heat can be cleared with pungent cold herbs, fire can only be drained with bitter cold herbs. When applying treatment with acupuncture, the distinction between heat and fire is not crucial. However, in herbal therapy, this distinction is important, as to clear heat, one uses pungent and cold herbs, while to clear fire, bitter and cold herbs are used. This pattern is not a common cause of epigastric pain. The treatment principle is to drain stomach fire, protect stomach yin, and restore the descending of stomach chi. The points to be used are stomach 44, bladder 21, stomach 45, stomach 21, spleen 6, and Ren 13 using the reducing or even method. Stomach 44 and bladder 21 clears stomach fire. Stomach 45 clears stomach fire and calms the mind. It is the main point to calm the mind when it is disturbed by stomach fire. Stomach 21 is used in all excess patterns of the stomach. Spleen 6 is used to protect stomach yin, and Ren 13 is used to subdue rebellious stomach chi. In this case, stomach chi rebels upwards due to the rising of stomach fire. The same dietary advice is given to a patient with stomach heat. Thank you so much for your attention.